So I have a third order system on the screen, and I'm going to draw root locus in MATLAB. So root locus is just a graph that enables you to see how your fault location changes as the gain changes, and it can also enable you to analyze the performance characteristics of your system easily. So I can plot root locus by using the rlocus command, and then the argument it takes is just the system, which is 6 in this case. And so this is my root locus. I have the imaginary axis in the y part and the real axis in the x part, and I can see my gain as well as the corresponding fault location by pressing on any part of the graph. So I have the blue line, the green line, and the red line that are all part of the root locus. So pressing the blue line, so you can see this is the marker. I can see the gain location, I can see the corresponding damping ratio, the overshoot, and the frequency. And if you move the marker, you will see as the gain changes, you have your pole location is going to also change. So this is the corresponding pole of this gain, and this is the corresponding overshoot and frequencies. I can also see the gain that will render my system unstable by looking at these curves. So as I move this marker, you can see the pole location is changing. It is still stable, but it will become unstable around 27.4. So basically, root locus give you that edge. If you want to learn more about PID and its implementation in Simulink, watch the video on the left. Please like and subscribe to the channel.